meie kõige pisemad, meie järelkasv, meie juurdelõikus. Nii et hoidkem neid hästi, neil on, ma võin täiesti ausalt üles tunnistada, meie laste esimene linna esinemiste püüt ja pealekauba me tantsime omad kostüümid täna sisse.
It's a mighty journey on the sailing ship. Maybe once you touch the ground, you're glad you made the trip. Greeted by the folks who reaching out to shake your hand. They say they're glad you come from Oregon to Ireland. Seemed it just as pretty as I was told it was. You know that Irish whiskey to toast the one you love. Music makes you wanna dance, and now you understand. That's why I had to come from Oregon to Ireland. Oregon to Ireland, you say is way too far. Listen to my story while I sing and play guitar. The songs brought us together, and now I'm here to say the Sheeran Family Band is why I'm here today. The Sheeran Family Band is why I'm here today.
Teile esinesid Lindi lasteaed-algkooli lapsed. Meie koolis on kokku 37 last ja nii paljud tantsisid täna siin, ülejäänud tantsivad iganädalaselt nagunii lisaks. Nii et aitäh teile, lapsed, aga enne seda tulge ikka lavalt ka läbi, mul on teile midagi anda, tulge näidake ennast kõrgemalt, osad on